This is a beautiful Kentucky homestead offering 24.6 acres of rolling countryside, privacy, and peaceful rural living surrounded by mountain and woodland views. As you arrive, the property opens into a scenic landscape filled with open pasture, mature trees, and natural beauty in every direction. The setting provides a rare combination of usable land and privacy, making it ideal for anyone seeking a true country lifestyle. The home features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with a well-maintained layout designed for comfortable living. Inside, you'll find spacious living areas filled with natural light and a warm, inviting atmosphere that feels like home from the moment you enter. The kitchen has been recently updated with brand new cabinetry, modern countertops, and fresh finishes that bring a clean and refreshed look to the heart of the home. New flooring throughout the main level adds a cohesive and updated feel across the living spaces. Large windows throughout the home allow for natural light and provide peaceful views of the surrounding land and countryside. Every angle of the property offers a connection to nature and open space. The full unfinished basement provides endless potential for expansion, storage, a workshop, or hobby space, giving you flexibility to grow and customize the home over time. Outside, the 24.6 acres offer wide open